Hey everybody, how's it going? The good folks at Abba Patio let me review this 10 by 10 foot canopy. Now this one is foldable, and I'm going to show you in a minute how easy it is to take apart. I'll take it apart, one person can take it apart, one person can assemble it. I've used it all week long, it's been over 100 degrees, and during midday, let me tell you, it really keeps things cool. There's so much space inside here, you could probably have a picnic table with probably 6 or 8 people under here easily. So let's go over some of the features. Okay, this is what it looks like from inside. You notice they have a vent up at the top. Although rain can't come in, all the hot, humid air can escape. It's got mesh. It's coated underneath with a nice silver reflective material. Now, this is the beige color. They come in beige and white. And the frame is powder coated, and it's very, very sturdy. I mean, it's not going anywhere. Now, if it were windy, they've got tie downs. So you could tie this down to the ground. It comes with the ropes, it comes with the stakes, and you've also got Velcro holding the canopy to the frame. So I'm going in reverse, but basically you undo the Velcro, okay? And then this whole thing is going to basically come down at the push of a button. Let me show you how that works. All you gotta do is take the top of the canopy off after you've released the Velcro. And then what you want to do is press the silver button and start lowering each side. Press the silver button, lower each side. Careful not to hit your head. Okay, I've pressed the orange button on the 4 corners, and now gently just start coaxing it, just like a folding chair. Start coaxing it back up and together. Look at that great engineering I've had lately. I mean, look at how easy that was. It's really not that heavy. It's very sturdy, but it's not that heavy. All right, I've simply folded and rolled this up. There's plenty of space in the bag. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And guess what? It even has wheels on the bottom. And you could literally roll this through the parking lot. All right, if you're trying to find any of this or more of their very, very cool patio furniture and outdoor accessories, go to Amazon and type in ABBA, that's A-B-B-A, patio. You won't be disappointed. Cheers.
Yeah.